Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up cross-selling on your Payhip store. This is a fantastic way to increase your revenue by recommending related products to customers right when they're ready to buy. Let's dive in and get this configured. First, open your browser and head over to payhip.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you manage your store and products, as this is where we'll be setting up the cross-selling feature. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on Marketing. This section houses all the promotional tools Payhip offers, including the cross-selling feature we're about to configure. It's designed to help you maximize sales by strategically suggesting complementary products to your customers. Within the Marketing section, look for and click on Cross-Selling. This is where you'll manage all your cross-sell offers, creating combinations of products that work well together. It's a powerful tool for encouraging customers to add more items to their cart. Now, to create your first cross-sell, click on Add Cross-Sell. This will open up the configuration interface where you'll define which products to pair together and how they'll be presented to your customers. You'll notice the setup is broken down into steps. On step 1, click the drop-down menu and choose a product. This is your primary product, the one that customers have already shown interest in or added to their cart. Select the product you want to use as the trigger for your cross-sell offer. Moving on to step 2, you'll see a list of your other products with checkboxes next to them. Check the checkbox of another product you want to cross-sell. This is the complementary product you're recommending to customers who are purchasing the first one. Choose something that naturally pairs well with your primary product to increase the chances of conversion. Next, on step 3, click the drop-down menu and you'll have to choose between 3 display options. You can select Show Thumbnail of First Product in Cross-Sell, Show a Custom Thumbnail, or Don't Show a Thumbnail. This choice affects how your cross-sell offer appears visually to customers, so pick the option that best matches your branding and presentation style. Now we're on step 4, where you'll input a title and description for your cross-sell offer. The title should be catchy and clearly communicate the value of the bundle, while the description can provide more details about why these products work great together. Take a moment to craft compelling copy that encourages customers to take advantage of the offer. After that, you'll need to input a price and strike-through price. The strike-through price shows customers the original combined cost, while the actual price displays your special cross-sell discount. This visual comparison helps highlight the savings they're getting, making the offer more attractive. Once you've filled in all the details, click Add Cross-Sell to save your configuration. And that's it. You've successfully set up cross-selling on your Payhip store. Your customers will now see these strategic product recommendations, helping you boost sales and provide more value. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.